Hello and welcome back to another YouTube video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use HTML to require a field to be filled out. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe because we are very close to 100 subscribers. And without any further ado, let's get on into the video. Okay, so first let's just start off with the H1, so less than sign H1, and I'll just call this title. And now let's create a text box. So input type equals text, and then we'll close this. And below this, we'll do less than sign button type equals submit, and we close this off. And in here, we'll just put in submit, and this is the text that shows up on our button. So right now, this field, it's not required. The input, the text field, it's not required. So, you could just skip the field. But let's say we want the user to fill out the field so they can only submit once they filled out that field. In order to do that, we just have to do space required, and that's it. So let's try running this. So file, hit save. Let's open up our file explorer. Okay, so let's go to where our file is. So here is my file, and I just need to double click on this, and it opens up a new Chrome tab. So you see we hit submit, but it doesn't let us submit. So that's how you make a text field required. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.